planner. Recently, I joined Vishal Sir's Recon Academy Wealth Creation Workshops, which is held in Mumbai. Basics of technical analysis as well as other topics of technical analysis very well explained in his workshops. Risk management and mind management, two most important topics in trading. So these two topics are very well covered by Vishal sir. Simple and robust trading setups provided in his workshops so trader can easy to understand and easy to use in his trading career. After these workshops, Vishal sir provide a lifetime support as a mentor by taking a mentorship sessions twice in a month. Those students who are already did his workshops, Vishal has created a group for them by solving his problems and queries regarding trading. So guys, if you really want to learn about technical analysis as well as to become a successful trader, please join Vishal Sir's Recon Academy Wealth Creations workshops. Trust me guys, it helps me a lot in my trading career to become a trader to a professional trader. So thank you Vishal sir and Recon Academy for such a nice workshops. Thank you.